Yes, this is me, Chewy. Tiny, innocent, soft. Back when my biggest crime was chewing one shoe. One. How adorable. But now, oh buddy, I'm a seasoned veteran of cardboard warfare. Dad said, go ahead, open it. And I said, say less. What's in here? Treats? Toys? Oh, I wonder, is it the meaning of life? I must know. I must destroy. For science. Don't try to stop me, human. I'm in the zone. I'm basically a wolf with a subscription to Amazon. Okay, so apparently I just fought this package for 5 straight minutes, just to reveal this. I look like the holiday mascot for bad decisions. Ho,